So today I'm going to discuss about the list and list implementation in Python. So list implementation in Python, as I have discussed earlier, there I have shown you that how you can implement the list. So more on the list and more the work on the list that will be shown in this particular discussion. So in this list discussion, what you can see that I am showing here today update and manipulation. Update means to give a data and insert the particular data on it. Okay. And to manipulate means you can manipulate the thing by your own. So this is the thing what you find it that the updation what you can do and the manipulation what you can do that can be done in this particular one. That means you can slice it, you can slice means make it a piece, you can arrange it in the way that you want. So all these particular things that can be done. Okay, so see here what I have taken, I have shown here one program where I have taken list one. In this list one what I have taken the sum alphabets, combination of alphabets and some combination of numbers. Okay, so alphabets and number. Now what I have done, I have done the printing of what? List. Now this is what? List 2. List 2 is what? The second position. What is the second position? This is the zeroth position. We know it. This is the zeroth position, isn't it? This one is zeroth position. Then this one is the first position. This one is first position. That means this is the address of it. Okay. And this one is the second position. So this is the second position of the list which to be printed. Clear? So the value has been taken. Again, the two values has been taken to from where the thing to be inserted 2001 and 2002. From which position to which position? From second to third position. Okay, so list the second one 2001 for the single item. If you want to add one item, then you can do this. So this is what you can find it that there are the new values available and what will be the new value available in index 3. So this is the value that available at the second position, and after inserting these two 2001 and 2002, the new value in the second position is 2001 and in third position is 2002. Okay, so here I have started one new thing, that is to add a item in a list. Adding means appending. This is what is known as append. That means I have called here an append function. So using the append function, what I can do, I can add an item in the list. So I can add the item, and with adding the item I can work with the item. So how to do it? First I have taken the list here. Okay, after taking the list here, what I find here, that I have taken the list before appending. That means before I add some value, I have taken the list. And after I append, what I append? List dot append. I have called the append function. List dot append. What to append? 3. So after appending, what will be the value? So see here, before appending, it shows 1 and 2. And after appending, what the value it is showing to us? 1, 2 and 3. So this is what you can see, that we can append the value in this particular way. Okay, we can do the extend methods to extend the particular value, and we can use this particular one. Okay, so this is how we can use what function? Append function in a list. So based on this context, I am showing you one manipulation of the data. So in this particular manipulation of the data, you see here what I have taken here first. I have taken here list 1. In list 1, I have taken some numbers and I have taken some values. Okay, number or values, and I have taken the combinations of some alphabets. That means words. So in the second also I have taken that way, and what I said, that list 1. Then I list 1, only list 1. That means to print all the thing in a list 1. Next, zeroth position, list 0. Which was the zeroth position? this one is the zeroth position. Okay, then what I have said, that list 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, as I have said you earlier, you recall it, that when we say that from where it will start and where it will end, it will start from that area, but it will end before that area. That means zeroth position is this. Okay, this is the first position. So from first position to third position, this is the third position. This one is your third position. So it will do up to this much. Clear? Next, what it is? List 1. That means the first value to be printed. Which is the first position? This one is the first position. Now, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means this particular list will be printed 3 times. That means multiples of 3. This will be multiplied with 3. That means 3 times it will going to print. Okay. Next one, that what we find it, that list 1 plus list 2, that means list 1 plus list 2 to be added. Okay, we are adding the list 1 and list 2. So let's see what will be the output there. So you can see here, this, that is the output in this particular section. What I said first, I said first to print all the value in the list 1. So all the value is printed. Then I say to print only the zeroth position. So zeroth position is printed. Then I asked it to print from first to third. First to third means this is the first value, this is the zeroth value, this one is the first value, isn't it? This one is the second one, and this is the third. Up to third means up to this much it will come, but it will not print this, it will print up to this much. So this two value has been printed. Then what I said, print the first value. So printed the first value. Then I have said 2 into 3, that means second is to be printed thrice. So it has been printed thrice. See the one set, then it has started, the another set is from here, and this is the another set. So 3 set is there. Then what we have concatenated, added them. So first set and the second set has been added here. Okay, so this is how the thing is added and thing can be utilized here. Now in this one, I will going to show you that I have used what, the different other way of working. Now previously you have seen what the name I have given, list 1, list 2. But here you see I didn't give list 1, list 2. I named it in a different way. That means you keep it in mind. You can give the name of the variable as per your wish. But there is one but is there. What is a but? But is that you cannot give any keywords, any reserve words, any type of function names, isn't it? Those cannot be used. I cannot give here print. Okay, if I give it print, print means one function, so it cannot be implemented here. Okay, so this is what you can see it, that there are the different types I have called for printing. From sub, first all the values of sub, then sub 1 means only the first position, this is the first position. You know now, this one is the first position. Okay, this one is the first position. So then what, colon 2, that means from the 0th position to 2. 2 means only these two value will be printed. Then 2 colon, that means starting is from 2, after that how many values is there, all to be printed. Add sub into 2, that means it will be multiplied for twice, that means twice the thing will be printed, then the thing to be added. Okay, so if it is added, what will be the output there? Let us see the output. Okay, so this is the output of it. Here in this output, what you can see, what you can find, that in this particular output I have taken a different way of printing. What are the different ways of printing? This is the first way, that means I have asked it to print all the values, so it has printed all the values. Okay, then I have asked to print only which value, only the first position, that means this one is your first position. Okay, this one is the first position. Now how it will going to do, we know it, that if we start from the beginning, that means this is my beginning point. If we start from the beginning, then it will be 0th, value, isn't it? It is the zeroth position, then first, then second, then third, then fourth. So in this way. But if you start from the back, if you start from the back, then from the back what will happen? This will be minus 1. This will be minus 2. Okay. This will be minus 3. This will, this one will be minus 3. This one will be minus 4. So in this way you can find the thing will be given address. So address, how the thing will be addressed in the way we find it. It can address in a different way. That means from the reverse side, from the back side, both the sides it can give the address from here. Okay. Then what I have asked it to print the value of these two position. That means from where to where? From the first to third. First to third means up to second it will print, third will not going to print. Next what? From second position to all the values. This is the second position, so starting position is second. From second position all the values has been printed. Okay, so as it is printed, now what we find it, that there are the values what I said to print the values for twice. So all the values has been printed for twice. Clear? Now after it printed for twice, what we find it, that this particular values what is there, this particular value what is there in this particular section to be printed out. Okay, that means how they are added. That means the first list value and the second list value is added, and after adding, that means concatenating, the thing has been printed and thing has been done in this particular way. Okay, so okay, dear student, this is the part what we have discussed in this particular session. So I am going to end up the session here. Thank you all for watching the video. Thank you, students. This is our session will going to end here. Thank you all.